Hey guys, this is a product review for the laundry detergent sheets. They are, well, let me just start with what they look like. So this is it here. So you pull it out from this opening like that, and you use the whole sheet for a normal load, half a sheet for a small load, and then 2 sheets for a big load. And I usually do big loads, so I use 2. And as I'm sitting here, it has this fresh linen scent, and it is like, I can really smell it. It's super, super fresh. I love it. It smells amazing. It says Planet Safe. It's so great to be, it says 200 loads, depends on, exactly the type of load. So great to not be using a plastic container, and also not like shipping all the excess liquid around. So this kind of like gets to the point, basically. That's all you need to drop in there. And I did show you what it looks like, but this is what it's like to take it out. So it kind of reminds me of just like taking a tissue out or something. They might rip, it doesn't really matter. You just put it right in with your laundry and it does the load. It couldn't be easier. It was so like kind of foreign the first time I did it, and now, I mean, Sudstainables. It's just easy and it makes a lot of sense, and it's in a box, some kind of cardboard papery box. So yes, I couldn't be happier. And as I said, this fresh linen scent is super fresh. I really like it. You're not like missing out on anything by using these. It's not like the greener version isn't as good. It's great. I really like it. And then I feel good about the packaging. So one less thing of plastic, so really like it.